Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I'm excited. We have now reached an exciting stage of our building construction work, so just want to give you an update. We are now at the stage of installation of the roofing skeleton woodwork. This phase took us roughly about a week to complete. We used 2x4 by 16 inches wood and also 2x2 by 16 inches wood. And also we used 4 bags of 3 inches nail to put everything together securely. The roofing skeleton woodwork process involved carefully arranging and fixing the timber framework to form the skeleton that will support the roofing sheets. Every joint was nailed firmly to ensure strength and durability. With the framework now completed, the next step is to measure the correct square meters of the roof area. This will allow us to purchase the right quantity of roofing sheets, ensure a perfect fit. That is it for this update on our construction journey. Stay tuned for the next stage as we move closer to completing this building. If you enjoy following along, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Please watch the full video.
Wọ́n lélẹ̀ yìí wọ́n mọ̀ pé lè báyìí wọ́n mọ̀ pé yẹn ti wà nílẹ̀ ndị mango uru dị ebe a nke agwụna ndị a dị ebe a na-akọwa na ọ dịrị ozuru ezu na ọ dịrị mma ya na the roofing is progressing. The work is progressing. That's all. Now here we do. Now here we do. Oh,
and they're working on the deal, but the money no deal.
well done, job. Well done. Lie down. That's all.
And they give up for the game. I don't stay for the game. See my brother, don't work good. When you say show work good.
The king post there is 25 feet from up to the headroom there. 25 feet height.
It's nice, it's deal.
Yeah.
Every day, man, God, but money no deal.
The installation of the skeleton of the roofing done and dusted. remaining the roofing sheet. This is the POP. This one here, these 2x2s are the POP. They are for POPs. All these 2x2 that closed at the tie beams are for POP. Where the POP will be installed after the installation of the roofing sheet. Oh, the work is neat. The skeleton of the roofing is done and dusted. Very neat work. That's so all my design they be. They make sense well. As I design, as I delivered, exactly as the design is being made or draft, it's how I delivered. No njanja, no story.